another windy day. I thought it was going to be mild out here, but we got some waves. Alright, it's a little choppier out here than I thought it was going to be today. Lots of wind. Surprise, surprise. I was going to go over to Bamboozled Island, which is over there on the far tree line. But there's a lot of chop to go through to get there. And we'll go to Sloth Creek. I recently said I went to Sloth Creek and had gone to Sharps Creek. Now, I know no one's actually watching all these videos, so no one's going to catch me in that lie. But Sloth Creek's where Smith Point Marina is. Sharps Creek is the one with all the black floating devices, which is just a little further to the right. The one straight ahead of us is Sloth Creek. Serious wake out here. Put a little speed down. See, as soon as you speed up, it's just full splashes to the torso. So maybe we won't speed up. I just got soaking wet. Lean back a little bit. Maybe that'll help. Today's trip's to Coal Island. It's a little closer and stays on our side of the river. I didn't wear a life vest. Shame on me. Soaking wet. My God. Today's supposed to be the nice day. All the water's coming back in. Oh, that's a big shot right there. All right. like today. I guess that'll blow all our water back. We had lost about 6 feet of water the last couple days. Keep my 45s on these waves. I'm getting soaked. Boat just went by, but it didn't. Let's see if Coal Island Cove here will bring down the chop a little bit. We got some mergansers over there to the right. Pretty close this time. You might even be able to see them in the video. They usually fly away. There goes one of them. Once one goes, they almost always all go. I'm going to turn towards them because they're taking off now. There they go. All right. You see waves up there, breakers. We had some little pink jellyfish float up at the edge this morning. I was curious why they were all lined up at the sand, and I'm now seeing why. We got a fair amount of current coming back. What you see ahead, if you can see little dots, those are all aquacultures. A lot of oysters over here against the island. Got a big old diesel fishing boat coming in from Smith Point right now. See that in the distance, passing the house right now. Like a shrimp boat. I don't think we shrimp. Must be a crab boat. Woo. All right. Like a bucket of water. Got something black over here. What is that? Cloud? Is there something underwater? See, we're only about, I don't know, this deep right now. About like that, so not too much. There's a little algae under there, looks like. There's like a little seaweed, a red seaweed that grows around here. Let's see if you can see that crab boat behind me. Is that him? I can hear him. Alright, well, we're coming into Coal Island over here, so let me flip it back around. Gorgeous little piece of land right here. No one lives on Coal Island. It's a wildlife sanctuary. Watched another video I've talked about it a little bit. Look at these waves. It's crazy. Tomorrow it'll be just glass out here and there'll be nothing blowing. Every day is a little different. About a quarter mile from the property. That White House in your view now is my neighbor across the street, so gives you an idea. Some other trip I will walk the dune and show you the other side. Chesapeake is just over the top of those dunes. I'll add a picture into the back of the video and you'll know that that's the Chesapeake. From this spot, essentially, say 20-30 yards east of here, when you go across that dune, that's where the shot will be from. That is a cool boat. Okay, the water here is like literally, I don't know, 12 inches deep. Even though we're at a big pile of water in front of us. That's a bubble. There we go. This is just about my 45-degree angle here, because I don't want to get any more wet. About 50 degrees out. So pretty nice. These waves are amazing. They're so structured. It's not that windy out here. So I'm not sure what else is being involved here besides the wind. Something's involved. Sure has something to do with all that water coming back. Has a natural order to it. Get up around this dock and the wind dies down normally. Although, since this is coming from the east, we're really not getting a block. The east is on the other side to the right from here. Not to get thrown into the dock. That's pretty fast. Now, when people build their docks, they'll often put these little platforms out. You can see, hold on a second. That was a big one. That platform right there is a osprey nest platform. And ospreys don't bother you. They fly away when you go out to your dock. They don't try to attack like an eagle. Potentially could. So people don't mind them being set up on their docks, and you'll see a lot of docks with a little tray like that. It costs about $250 to stick one of those posts in the ground, plus the post. So people want them that bad. Just to put an extra post up. Alright, we're going to cut the moorings space here of our neighbors since there's no boat in here. Try to get more lined up with these waves. I'm kind of taking them on sideways right now. Saving. All right, now we're going with the wind. We got a tailwind. Again, the water's really shallow here. It stays shallow just beyond that dock, and then it gets deeper by our place. So we got lucky to have nice depth. Where's the geese? Just spin. They're going to get all upset because I turned towards them, but you should be able to see the geese up there. Let's see. Where's the poles? There they are. That's the couple that has a nest across the jetty from us. Literally, this is about that deep. So, 2 feet maybe. There's another osprey nest. You can see it on that pole. And this dock is where I saw the otters last time. They're not going to be in the same spot, but I always look. Kind of got this superstition now to look at this dock. That pole count is growing. Looks like we're up to 8 now, maybe? Very cool. Now, right above our head is a big old vulture. There's 2 of them. You've seen them, so I'm not going to shoot it. Somebody's put a floater out here. That's new. So it looks like we got an aquaculture in our space now. This guy right here. Yep, got something stuck on it. Alright. I tried to move that boat earlier today, man. It's heavy.